video just to go through the Blackbox AI app with the GitHub Agents installation, so that it can be used through the through your GitHub repos, and you can fully customize it to which exact repo you'd want it to be assigned to. So here we assigned it to one repo. We could have also picked all repos, a specific repo that we want. So here you can customize your selection that you want. And from this point, we're gonna go into this repo that we have already Blackbox installed with a GitHub agent. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new issue. We're gonna take one of the reported issues on the public open source Signal desktop client. So we're gonna just fill in the primary issue description, and okay. So once we create the issue, we're gonna get first instantly the agent responds with the success reception of the request. So at this point it has been already invoked. We can make it all either like invoke it through a new issue created, or if we want to go through some of the previously available pull requests, we can also take a look at one of this is actually one of the agents pull requests. So we can also invoke we just got, after 2 minutes, we received back a comment from the GitHub agent, and essentially we have a few details here. So the indentation, okay, so here there's a checks if the window, so the indentation seems correct and there's no duplicate or redundant. Let's review the final version of the capture window stats function. It checks here, the function is now attached to resize, move, maximize. Do you want me to proceed with any additional, or shall we move on with testing the implementation? So the function is now attached to, the changes should address the issue of the window always launching maximized after being maximized once. Now when the window is unmaximized, the flag will be tested. So here we can call it back and say, to test these changes we should do these, and we're gonna tell it proceed. If we want to give it any feedback on this, we can steer it in another direction, but here it seems to have started on this issue, and we got a comment back, and when we just told it to proceed, it's going, and it's gonna be continuing this execution. And once it's done, we're gonna get the final commits for that issue and the pull request. Start seeing, so it's been about 5-6 minutes, and the agent gave us the first commit that we can take a look at. So 62 lines added, 6 lines removed. Check if the saved display is still available. Set window state based on saved configuration. Capture window stats here and here. So it seems there we have also the second commit. So add event listeners, 31 added, 23 removed. So it's ongoing right now. It's about to finalize. So it's about this issue. It's going and finishing it.